Okay, multiplication and division of fraction. Personally, once you learn this is actually easier to do than adding and subtracting fractions. You just got to remember the rule. Okay. When you add and divide, do you need a common denominator. You do not need a common denominator. So I'm going to put that common denominator. Okay. And I'm going to put a red circle. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I was hoping it was just going to be a maybe
an outline of a red circle.
Yeah, exactly. Hold on, I might be able to do it. Shape recommend. Let's try. Good. I don't know why I'm spending so much time on this, but anyways, let's do it in red. The reason is because this is a common error. When doing this, you do not need a common denominator. Okay, so that's going to be our big note for that. Now, what's important is you just multiply across the top and multiply across the bottom. Okay, simple as that. So, let's think of it like this now. We get 3 times 4 over 5 times 6. What is 3 times 4?
12.
What is 5 times 6?
30.
There we go. That's it. And then we can reduce this. 3 goes into both of these, and that would give me 4 over 10. I divided both by 3, and then I can divide that by 2, which gives me 2 over 5. Okay? But that's just a side note. Okay? Technically, that's an equivalent fraction for an answer. So let's try another one. 10 over 3 times...
That's it? That's all it is?
1 over 6. That's it for multiplication.
Oh.
So how do I multiply these two? What do I multiply?
The top and the bottom, all of it. I mean...
Okay, so what are we going to get?
10 and then 18.
That's right. That's it for multiplication.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty straightforward?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's do another page with division. A little more difficult. Division. Same idea, you do not need a common denominator. Okay?
Yeah.
But you do got to flip the question. So let's say we have 3 over 6 divided by 2 over 5.
And we have to flip the, we have to change it to multiplication.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
So we want all questions to be multiplication questions because that seemed like the easiest style of using in fractions. See how easy multiplication was? So we want to turn this into a multiplication question. So we're going to flip the second term. Okay? And then this is going to change into a multiplication sign. So we bring down our 3 over 6. And what does this become?
5 over 2.
That's it. And now we multiply. We get
15 and 12.
That's it.
That's the only rule?
That's the only rule. Ready? Let's try another. 9 over 3 divided by 4 over 7. Okay? What do we have to do?
Flip it and then change it to multiplication.
Yeah. So
7
flip
over
it.
4.
So we get, what's our first term?
9 over 3.
Yep.
7 over 4.
Yep.
That's it, I think. Oh, I don't know this one.
Try it on a calculator.
Oh yeah, 63.
Over.
And then 12.
That's it. Done. So like I said, multiplication and division of fractions can actually be much easier than adding and subtracting. They're very straightforward.